Hello everyone, welcome to Talented Developer. So in this tutorial we are going to see NE operator, that means not equal to. So before that, what you have to do, just go to the GitHub and you can see, right, I am having one repository. Here you can see a student, right? So just open and try to copy this whole data and export it. So how you can export, just see here. And once you have exported, now what you have to do, just double click. Now you can see, right, this is our data. Here this is the same data what we have seen earlier, and here I have added some array and array of object. So no need to worry about, I will explain what is this in next tutorial. So how you can write this query, so just open into new. So basically what we have to do, just remember always we have to mention the field name, like on the basis of which field we are going to do query. So suppose I am going to do query on the basis of class, right? Here we need to use our operator. So what is that one? $NE, right? And here if I will give 7, so what will be happen? So here we are going to do query on the basis of class, and here NE, that means not equal to. So here the field name is class and the value is 7. So we are going to get the output of whole user, but those who is in not class 7, right? So except class 7 we will get everyone. So what we have to do, just copy whole line, right, and just come and here just paste and run. So once you will run, you can notice here, right, 50 user, again 50, again 50 and 30, that means 180, right? So I will just open like that one. See here, the class 6, class 6, class 4, right? So you can see that we will not get class 7 here. So suppose if I will change as a 6 here, so what will happen, we will get all the user except class 6. You can see class 1, class 5, right? So now understand how we can use any. So if you want to practice more thing, what we can do here, just come and try to use greater than, or you can also append some more field here. So suppose here gender female, right? So what you can do, just copy like whole thing, right, and come here. So we are going to close it here. After that, just copy paste and run. After that, you can notice here we are getting wrong here. So why we are getting wrong here? If you notice, this is opening, right, this is this position, but we added after that place. So what we have to do, just come and try to use comma and paste it here. So now if you run, you can see your whole data, like how many data you got. It is about to like approximately 83 user. So you just open, you can see here this user. So here what is our query? Class not equal to 6 and gender must be female, right? So you can see gender female and class 8. If you scroll down, you can see more user, right? So you will get only those user who is as a female and not in the class 6. So you understand what is NE. So in next tutorial we are going to see how to use in and NIN.